Okay, uh, I'm going to tell you about air pump. This air pump can be represented very simply this way. It consists of a long, hollow cylindrical barrel like this, and it is fitted with a piston. But I want to show its front side. Look at this. Here, a small hole is placed and somewhat net-like structure at its tip, and there is a metal ball, a hollow metal ball at its tip, and this is called nozzle. And this is what I told you just now, metal ball. Now this hollow cylindrical barrel, this is barrel, it is fitted with a washer. This is washer, and this washer is placed at the tip of the piston. This is called piston, which can move forward and backward in the barrel. And this we can say handle. Now this is piston, and this is washer. Now look at again. An air pump consists of a long cylindrical barrel. It is hollow inside, and it is fitted with a piston, and at the tip of the piston there is a washer. Washer is normally made up of leather, or it may be rubber or plastic. Now there is a metal ball at its front side, and this is the nozzle through which air can come out. But in some of the pump, in many pumps, this part is not present at this place. This part is somewhere outside the pump. A long tube-like structure, small tube-like structure may be connected at the tip, and the metal ball is at the end of that tube-like structure. Okay, this is the normal representation of air pump. Now how it works? The target, the major reason of making air pump is to fill air into something, usually into the tube of bicycle or into the ball which we play as football, and into the basketball, etc. Now how it works? Whenever handle is pushed forward, then piston moves forward. And when piston is moved forward, then the part in between this washer and the nozzle decreases. And because of the decrease of the volume of this part, what happens? The pressure inside this part increases. Because of increased pressure, air tends to move away from this place towards this side, towards the piston, and also towards the nozzle. But because of the pressure of the air, this washer expands, and it comes in very close contact with the inner wall of this barrel, and air cannot escape out of this place. It means air cannot move this side towards the piston or towards the handle. But when air pressure increases in this side because of the pushed handle, When air pressure increases in this side, then it pushes this hollow metallic ball, and a hollow metallic ball when pushed forward, then this is somewhat metallic wire. This ball cannot cover the whole part of this wire or whole part of this mesh or whole part of this nozzle, and so air can come out through the nozzle. This way air can be pushed forward. But when the same handle is pulled backward, then what happens? Now air from this side tries to enter into this place, and air from outside also, outside means outside the nozzle, try to go into this space. But what happens at this time? Because of the air pressure from the side of the nozzle, what happens? This metal ball is pushed backward and it covers the whole entrance of this air pump, and air cannot enter into this part. But because of this air pressure, this washer is somewhat umbrella like, and so the air pressure can push the uh, edges of the washer and it can enter into this space. Now air is filled inside this space. Again the same thing repeats when we push the handle forward. When handle is again pushed forward, then what happens? The volume of this space decreases, and that's why pressure increases, and this pressure created on the wall of this washer expands the washer, and again washer becomes very tight with the inner wall of this barrel, and it expands like umbrella, and air cannot escape out from this washer, but it comes out through this nozzle. Thus